How are you? Need a ticket? Come on in.
There's Talons. Oh yeah, there's little small dogs.
My name is Paul Studevant, Director of St. Johns County Animal Control. What we're doing here today is a lottery drawing for rescue dogs from a puppy mill out of Tennessee that I brought back with us. I've got tons of people, a little bit of dogs. The good thing is there's 40 dogs here available of all different sizes and breeds. There's only 11 purebreds that came from Tennessee. So we're hoping that all 40 dogs go from our kennel that are available for adoption. And cats go and kittens, and we're just hoping to clear the place out this time.
I'm Mac. I came down here to get me old dog up out of here. Don't care what kind he is, just a dog. Y'all got any raccoons in there?
Got our first number? And the first number is 888563.
Okay. 11. There's 3 pieces of paper there, and they do need to be filled out before you enter into make an adoption. Okay?
Oh my God! Okay, look at him. Oh, look at this sweet love.